Today we're cleaning a heavily soiled carpet, similar to what you would see in high footfall areas or environments where the carpet hasn't been looked after. As much as 85% of carpet dirt is dry, so always begin a deep clean by thoroughly vacuuming the carpet. Paying attention to heavily soiled areas, lightly mist Pro 41 Envirodri pre-cleaner over the carpet. Allow a couple of minutes for the pre-cleaner to lift and loosen dirt. Apply Pro 40 microsponges to the carpet. 1 kilogram of microsponges will clean approximately 30 square meters of flooring. Brush in the microsponges using the Envirodri Gen 4 dry carpet cleaning machine. Always operate in a north to south, east to west direction. When not in use, keep the Gen 4 in its tray to protect the brushes. Finish the clean with a thorough vacuum. As you'll see, the carpet is now clean, dry and ready for immediate use. For more information, visit cleantechinnovation.com.